Are your Vrchat avatars turning into gray robots or refusing to load entirely? Don't panic, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it in under 2 minutes. First, let's clear your cache. Open your Vrchat settings menu. You can usually find this by clicking on the gear icon in the main menu. Next, locate the Performance Options button within the Settings panel. Click on it to access performance-related configurations. In the Performance Options, you will see a button labeled Clear Downloaded Content Cache. Click this button. This will delete temporary files that may be causing avatar loading issues. After clearing the cache, restart Vrchat. This ensures the changes take effect and the game can load fresh avatar data. If clearing the cache didn't work, let's adjust your avatar download settings. Open your Vrchat settings again, just like before. This time, navigate to the Safety tab. Here, you'll find options related to avatar visibility and download settings. Ensure your safety settings are set to custom. Then, expand the Performance Options section and maximize the avatar download size limits for polygons, textures, and skin meshes. This allows you to see more detailed avatars. Finally, restart Vrchat one more time and enter a world. Your avatars should now be loading properly. If you're still having trouble, try restarting your computer or checking your internet connection. Have fun in Vrchat.